Hello, and welcome to Where Wendy Creates. Today, my friends, I am opening up an exciting, I got this at Paducah, and we're just getting to it. That's right, I've been working on other projects, as hopefully you've seen, but today I want to open my approximately 2 pounds, 0.91 kilograms of scraps in this mystery package. Now, of course, they say it's a mystery, but they show you the top 3. But let's go ahead and open this up. This is Free Spirit Mystery Mix scrap bag I got at Paducah. I got it at Hancock's in Paducah. So we are opening this up, tearing off those staples, making sure they stay with my lid. They're not near my fabric. And let's pull out my scraps and see what I have. All right, it looks like I have flowers in the bottom group. So let's open these up and see. I have some white. Looks like it's a white on white little, I think those are little raindrops sideways. Ooh, look at those beautiful, delicate flowers. Now this piece, it looks like it's, that size. I've got some masking tape on here. I'm not sure why, maybe because it was cut wrong. We'll check that out a little bit closer. Usually masking tape on fabric means that there's some kind of flaw at that area, so you know. And we've got just a small piece, not even with the fabric, just like a half there. Most of these pieces usually in the past that I've gotten in scrap bags like this have been with the fabric like this one. So that looks like it's about a very misshapen 3.5 inches, maybe one side wider than the other. And then again, this is with the fabric. It does have some masking tape on it. So we'll have to check that out, see what's going on there. This feels like it's almost a higher quality or a different quality. I feel the ridges on this. This one says Danish design printed in Pakistan. Wow! It's by stofffabrics.com. It's a Carla Rose. So we have 2 pieces of this. So that will be fun to figure out how I can put beautiful blue roses in something. Now this gray is with the fabric as well. How nice. Didn't I just see some green? Maybe there's 2 pieces of green in here. 3 pieces of green in here. So we've got 2, feels like they're with the fabric. This one feels like it's cut up. Interesting. So this was maybe intended to be 2 fat quarters. And we've got 2 pieces of red here. One is very small. That is with the fabric by a very strange cut there as well. Pardon me if I say strange cut, but this one feels like it truly is with the fabric. And let's see if I know where this one is from. This is Soft Fabrics as well, Danish design, printed in Japan. This one is 100% cotton, and it's got a style there, and then maybe some Japanese writing afterwards. And then this one feels like it's with the fabric for a very short bolt, maybe. Very short. I have both selvages on both sides. No writing at all, so I can't give you detail on that. But look, another larger piece here of that. And this one is with the fabric as well, but that's a very short piece. This looks like some silver on white snowflakes and Christmas trees. So I'm thinking these, and another blue. So look at that, 3 blues in this package with the fabric. This one again was the Carla Rose by Soft Fabrics. Some green dots, some blue-green dots, and some yellow stripes. And some blue stripes, and just a very small cut of this fabric. So, all right. I need your help. I need your help. Please, 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 I beg you. Hit the comments down below. How can I use these scrap bundle? They don't work together unless it's going to be truly, truly scrappy. So give me your thoughts. What can I do? Some of these match well together. Some of them are Christmas and silver. They go well together. Maybe even throw in that red. I'm not really sure. Please, please, please help me. How would you use these scraps? Let me know the colors in the comments. Let me know what you would do with these pieces. They're 100% quilter's cotton. I'm excited I have them. And I'm going to fold them all up nice and neat and wait on your comments. What would you make out of these? Again, a mystery scrap bag. You never know what you're going to get. This is not Moda. This is the Soft Fabrics by Free Spirit. So what would you create out of these? These are Free Spirit right here by Echo Stripe is what that one's called. This one just says Tiny Dots. So what would you do with this fabric? What would you make out of it? I am eager to hear your thoughts. I'll see you real soon. Let me know. I'm waiting on your answers. Have a great day.